Hey, you guys, it's Jerry Morgan with Code Blue Computing. It's time to talk nerdy to me. You know you want to. So what are we talking about today? Well, we are talking about happy anniversary. It is one full year since, a little bit over a year, but one full year since Colorado's data protection law went into effect for business owners. So my question is for you today is, what exactly have you done to get into compliance with this law if you have a business? Well, if you are like most business owners that I run into in the state of Colorado, the answer is nothing. You have done nothing. And the truth of the matter is Colorado has one of the toughest data protection laws in the country. So if you if you operate a business in the state of Colorado and you're doing business with people who live in Colorado, like most of us are, you need to pay attention to this law, and you need to start taking steps to get into compliance, okay? So what this law stated was that if you had personally identifiable information for clients, you need to have a written plan into place as far as how long you keep that information, what steps that you take to destroy that information after a reasonable amount of time. There's a lot of things that go into play here, right? And that involves digital, absolutely, but it involves paper as well. And a lot of folks will tell me, I don't have personally identifiable information for my clients. Bunk, you do. So let's talk about what is personally identifiable information for your clients, okay? Do they have names? Yep. Do they have phone numbers? You betcha. Do they have addresses? Yeah. Some of you have Social Security numbers and information. This is for my financial folks, for my CPAs. You bet you do. Do you have email addresses? Most of us do. If we're smart, we've got email addresses for our clients. We have all of this information, driver's licenses, credit cards, what have you. But if you have clients, if you have computers, if you have paperwork, you bet you've got some personally identifiable information on file for these folks. So what do you need to do? You need to start taking this seriously for your sake, absolutely, but for your client's sake as well. And you need to start looking at where you might have some holes in your security, how you might patch those holes, and get these written policies into place. Because like we talk about all of the time, it isn't if your business will be attacked. It's gonna be. It's really what you do now before the attack that's going to determine if your business is able to survive that type of attack. So again, my name is Jerry Morgan. I own Code Blue Computing right here in Denver, and we provide cybersecurity services and IT support services to businesses throughout the region. So if you've got questions, I want you to pop them down in the chat below. Send me a private message. But in relation to what we're talking about today, this law did go into effect a year ago. And if you are like most business owners and you've not really taken this seriously, you've not put these things into place, I want you to message me. This is something that you need to get done for your organization. So if you know other business owners, why don't you share this out so that they know what they need to do as well. And it was great talking nerdy to you. I will see you guys again tomorrow. You have a great day. Thanks. Bye.